Hi, welcome. I am Rhonda with Rhonda Gage's Creation. I have a cord poking my foot here. And I crochet. So crochet is a technique of creating lace or fabric from thread or yarn using a hook. I just had my hooks right here, and because I moved them, I can't fill them. So I have a variety of hooks. It's a process of creating textiles by using a crochet hook to interlock loops of yarns, thread, or strands of other materials. The name is derived from the French term crochet, which means hook. Hooks can be made from a variety of materials such as metal, wood, bamboo, plastic. These ones are metal tipped and plastic. So I have this one here. It's metal tipped. It's got a plastic handle. This one is like a little softer handle, I want to kind of say like almost rubbery with the metal tip. So I will show you pictures of some different things that I have crocheted. So please tell me which one you like. Thank you.